here, co-founder, Pat, trading partners along with Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin finally getting a close above this 92.85 level, 92.85, 9,300 key resistance running up, running smack dab in a 200 period simple moving average on the 4 hour, just below our 9,400, pulling back the rotation zone. There's a wide little berth of support. Going to see if it can get rotating back up. For the rotation back up, I needed to get above this 92.85 level again, and then I'll start watching for these same price targets, the 9,400 and 9,465. If we do drop back below about 9,200 on a closing 4-hour basis, failed breakout. We're still in congestion and consolidation, but it was a failed breakout from this little range, and then I'm going to start watching for some of the lower price levels again because of the failed breakout and it couldn't sustain the move. Check in on that with the daily. So you can see here, here's that consolidation that was in for essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 days breaking out, now coming back to retest it. So really watch where today's close. Above 92.85 again, tends to lead us to watch for this other consolidation range. So it's a shift up from the lower consolidation range to the mid consolidation range. A close below that tends to support it, still favoring back in this lower consolidation range with a failed breakout. It's really all we're watching because it's really the only thing you can do still is very short scalps against support and resistance. That's the only trading there is right now. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum had a nice strong move. So Ethereum, let me show you this. So here's the 4-hour chart coming up, blowing through the levels, then closing above this 238.18 area. As it starts moving, again, I show you what we do when it starts going through our other levels. We come down 1-hour chart, so we watch for a pausing bar. So there's a nice little pause as it starts going through the key levels. Oops. And here we go. So you raise it up. Gave this 240.44, hit that, came back to test the breakout area. So breakout, retest with the rotation zone. Running up, we had 243.25 then, and spiking through to 243.82, then coming back down. Actually falling back below the rotation zone, so that's coming all the way back to another prior support level and the 50 on the 1 hour. Let's say what that looked like on the 4 hour, because the 4 hour is more important than the 1 hour and the daily is more important than the 4 hour. So you can see running up here, coming back down, spiking into the rotation zone. There's that key test, that level we've had on here for quite some time, then rotating back up, trying to hold this. Right now, about 237.50, a close below that would have me watching for a return to about this 235 area with the bottom of the 4-hour rotation zone. Close above that, then I start watching for about 240.50 and then this 243.25 area again. You can go up to here if we do break out again higher and this does hold. Then it's looking at 247.40 and 250.99, so 251. Let's take a look at it on that daily chart though to keep this in the bigger perspective. So even with this move up, we're still in this major consolidation. And you see here this little candle body resistance shelf spiking just above that. So you had that with the 1 hour price projections, gave you a really nice area that if you got long, a great area to move your stops or take some profits and watch for the pull back. Not really paying attention to the rotation zone on the daily, so we're still in major consolidation and major overhead resistance. This 247.40 area, you can see just above that, about 248. There's all this candle body resistance. So do not ignore this. If this rotates back up, do not ignore this 247.40 to 248 area. And even this 251 area is into all these wicks. Major selling pressure still ahead. So this is not the time, if you've gotten long, to get greedy. This is time to manage the position because it's in consolidation. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.